Hi, so my name is Aljan Ian Anos. I'm 26 years old and I'm from the Philippines. um, I am a former customer support for Microsoft Xbox Chat for the last 3 years and 4 months. I decided to quit my job and become a freelancer. And here I am now. I am looking for my first client. So basically what we do is we help customers if they have concerns with their games, console, billing, technical issues, and connectivity issues. So I've been with Xbox for 3 years already, and I gained a lot of experience and learned more things, new things about Xbox and how to become a perfect customer support. And right now, I'm looking for my first client, and if you are interested, please do respond to my application, and I would be more than glad to be a part of your team. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.